just put in the chat, I just want another contract, 8 out of 16. Let's go. I'm telling you, because is leveraging his resources. He's hiring people and making them do all the work. Because if you're an individual, to bid 16 and lose 16, and I mean, to bid a lot just to win 1 or 2, it's going to take a toll on you personally. But if you hire employees and make them do all the legwork of calling and getting quotes, and you just submit the bids, now you're leveraging your time. Let's go. Congrats, man. That's dope.
That contract that I just won, I didn't even give it to my worker, my virtual assistant. I did it on my own because it was straightforward product. I Googled it, got the information offline. Probably an hour, 15 minutes, I was done with it. And that's, I think it's $28,000. I profit like $6,500. We have past performance. It's really what I'm doing it for right now. We have past performance right now with 6 different agencies, 7 contracts in 13 months.
That's dope, man. Congratulations. That's dope. It's very
hang in there, guys and ladies.